Hello friends, welcome to my channel Neha's Kitchen. Today we are making chicken pasta. To begin with, let's add about 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. Add around 8 to 9 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. Once it turned golden brown, I am adding in 250 grams of boneless chicken to it. Stir it on high flame for around 1 minute. Once the chicken is cooked 80%, add in green chilies finely chopped and then add the vegetables of your choice. Here I am adding in finely chopped carrots, capsicums and onions. Mix everything well on a high flame for around 1 minute. Now to this I am adding in around 1 bowl of tomato puree. I have used around 2 large sized tomatoes. Just grinded it in the mixer. Let the chicken and the vegetable cook in the tomato puree for about 2 to 3 minutes or till the rawness of the tomato is gone. Here I am adding in 1 tablespoon of white pepper powder and half the tablespoon of red chili flakes. You can adjust the spiciness as per your preference. Add salt as per your taste and mix everything well. Now here's the main ingredient of the recipe, that is pasta sauce. I am using Knorr pasta sauce around 2 tablespoons. The main and the final ingredient of the recipe, boiled pasta. I am using around 1 cup of boiled pasta. Mix everything together. Here I am adding in little water so the pasta is coated properly with the masala. Cover and cook the pasta for 1 minute and your delicious yummy chicken pasta is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the hot pasta.